Assalamu alaikum 9th class. Chapter number 17 and exercise number 17.5. In question number 2, we have to construct a square equal in area to a rectangle whose adjacent sides are 4.5 centimeters and 2.2 centimeters respectively. We have to measure the sides of the square and to find its area and compare with the area of the rectangle. As you can see, I have already drawn a line segment AB 4.5 centimeters and an angle of 90 degree at A. Now, to complete the rectangle, I will mark an arc with center B and radius 2.2 centimeters, which is the other dimension of the rectangle, 2.2 centimeters. With center B and radius 2.2 centimeters, mark an arc. Then with center A and radius 2.2 centimeters, mark another arc which will cut the terminal arm of the angle at a point we may say D. Now with center D and radius AB or 4.5 centimeters, with center D and radius 4.5 centimeters, mark an arc to cut the previous arc at point C. Now join B to C and C to D. Our rectangle is formed. Now to make the square, in the first step we will produce CD beyond C such that BC is equal to CE. 2.2 centimeters. The measurement of BC is 2.2 centimeters. So we will produce the line CD 2.2 centimeters produce CD beyond C to 2.2 centimeters. Step number 1. Name this point as E. Produce CD beyond C up to point E such that measurement BC is equal to measurement CE. Now in step number 2, we will take the midpoint of DE. Adjust the legs of the compass more than half of DE. Mark arcs to both sides of DE. to get the midpoint of DE, which is M. Take M comma the midpoint on DE. Now with center M and radius MD or ME, draw a semicircle. With center M and radius ME or MD, draw a semicircle. With center M and radius ME or MD, comma, draw a semicircle. Step number 4. Now produce BC to meet the semicircle at another point P. Produce BC to meet the semicircle at point P. Produce BC to meet the semicircle at point P. In step number 5, we will construct a square on PC. For this purpose, draw a perpendicular on PC. In other words, make an angle of 90 degree at PC.